Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix headphone or sound not working in Windows 10 or 11. So very simple and basic way. Firstly click on start and here search device manager. Search a device manager. Now here expand audio inputs and outputs. Now here right click on your speaker, then disable device. Click on yes. Again click on it. Enable device. Similar microphone. Disable it. Enable it. Now right click on audio inputs and outputs. Scan for hardware changes. Close it and restart your system. Right click on speakers. Click on open sound settings. Click on sound control panel. Here click on playback, select your default, properties, advanced, select this last one. Then click on apply, then OK. Click on OK. Now close it and restart your system. So thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.